What's up guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to this new video. Today I have another Snapchat video, although it's a little bit of a different one. It's not a tutorial on how to upload snaps or screenshot, but it's how to get your account unlocked. So many of you have been commenting that by using the OBF editor app I showed you last time and the LMK app to upload snaps and send fake snaps as real one on your Snapchat, that your account has been locked. Now that never happened to me. But I know it might be a problem for you, so there's a way with which you can easily unlock your Snapchat account. So this is what you have to do. Just go on Google and type Snapchat support like I just did here. Click on Snapchat support and then scroll down and click to contact us right here. And now you might think that you want to put actually first obviously I can't access my account because that's a problem, and now you might think you have to put my account is locked, but you don't have to put that one, because that way they'll know that you did something that is against the rules or against their rules, so they want to lock it. But you're gonna want to have to press I think my account was hacked, so this is the one. And then obviously here you put all of your info, username, email, mobile number, and what information you know. Just say that you haven't been able to access your account and somebody has been using your account for the past weeks, or depending on how long you've been locked out of your account. Anyway, you're gonna just want to say that you're hacked. Make up a little story. It doesn't really matter as long as you just say that it wasn't you that was causing all the activity that happened in the last weeks or last month, which is basically you uploading Snap, which is what could potentially have you locked the account. So just remember, this is the most important part. Just make sure you put in, I think my account was hacked and not my account was locked. And Snapchat support is actually not that slow to reply. It takes like 1 to 3 days. That's how it did to me, to one of my friends. I told him to do it this way. And it worked for him. They got him his account back. Obviously after that you have to be careful and just wait on my page until I upload a safe new way to upload your snaps onto Snapchat. But anyway guys, this is the way. Obviously once you fill up all of your information, just press send, and they'll get back to you and help you. Just if they ask anything, just keep denying that it was you and just keep saying that somebody was using your account. So yeah guys, that's it for this tutorial. Another Snapchat video coming very soon. Let me know if this helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.